Happy birthday, Biel!
Love Biel! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Biel!
Happy birthday!
Kamusta kayo dyan? Biel, ilang taon ka na? 40 years old? Tako, kaya pala nakakalbo ka na eh. Nakita ko yung picture mo, puro puti na yung buhok mo, pero that's good. That means you're doing something. So keep up the good works at church. I saw your pictures in the camp and looks very successful. So for your 4-year-old birthday boy, man, whatever, happy birthday.
Una sa lahat, gusto kong batiin ang mga tiga-UCM. Kamusta na kayo lahat dyan? And then, masaya ako. Nandito na ako sa Wawawi. Oh my God. I have to greet pala. Happy birthday to Biel. Masaya kami ngayon. At I hope masaya din kayo lahat dyan. Biel, wala akong maibigay sa yung regalo, kundi yung spiritual gift, which is very important in our life than material gift. Okay? So, her Sabian, he wants to greet you too.
Happy birthday, Tito Biel. How you doing?
How about you, Sissy?
Happy birthday.
Grandpa, you got a message?
Oh yeah. Greetings sa United Church of Manila. Lahat ng congregation dyan. Mga ministerial staff, council, support staff, lahat. The whole church. The Lord, and happy birthday sa kay Biel. Ito, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord shows His face upon you and give you peace. God bless you.
Oh, kung si Mami walang gift sa'yo, kami may gift sa'yo.
And Mom can't get here because she's
Ito nga pala yung gift ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, ha? Oh, wait, wrong box. Nope, that's not the one. It's this one right here.
Ikat mo itong ginawa ni...
I hope you use it. Okay, sa ministry mo. Happy birthday.
It's like our old computer.
Yeah. What? Alright, say bye everyone. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you. Mom's not here because she
Love
has to
you
go to
all.
work.
Yes.
Miss
She has to
you.
go to work. Mom can't be here
See
because
you
she has to go to
soon.
work.